Hey, this is Jay. I've got my Dodge Ram 1500 2004, and then same problem a lot of guys have been having with these trucks is the baffle that designates whether you're getting fresh air from the outside or recirculating air from the inside of the cab when you have either your heat system or your AC on. Shuts down, you stop getting airflow, and what's going on is that baffle has actually broken loose and fallen down over the fan intake, so you're not getting any air either from inside or from outside. And there's a lot of different ways that people say to go about fixing this. I've got my dash all taken apart. It's really not that complicated. You can watch videos online, YouTube and whatnot, on how to get that apart. Phillips head screwdriver and a little bit of ingenuity. What I want to do here is make a point that I've got my fan blower motor out. Comes out right here, 3 screws. You pull the wire tab, no big deal. You can reach up in here. You reach up in here and you can actually see up above here, there's grills. This is where the fresh or the cab air recirculates back through. And it'll light up there. You're seeing in there, that is the baffle, the foam covered baffle that normally actuates back and forth. It's broken off on one side, and I want to make the point that some guys say you've got to break it in half to get it out, take your dash apart and whatnot. There is an angle. If you reach up in there, you can see my fingers. Fiddle around with this, rotations and whatnot. You see that broken piece. What I did was I pulled it down flat, pushed the left hand side up and towards the engine compartment. There's actually space where you can rotate it. Once you rotate that left side up and towards the engine compartment, you should be able to pull that right down.
And you have to take
There it is, broken off side. That side normally tabs on to the little servo motor that flips it one way or the other. And that sits up in the truck this way. The other side, not broken off on mine. So it goes flip. That would be covering the outside air. That would be covering the inside air. That would be halfway in between. So that part breaks off. You can get replacements for these. I don't have a replacement, and I don't know if you can get the replacement back in without taking the dash apart or not. Hold on, bud. So you can get this out without breaking it, without getting your hands cut up, without wrecking any parts of your truck. It's simply, as it's laying up in there, you reach up, flop it down flat like this, take that left side up, move it towards the engine compartment of the truck. That'll slide into where the exterior, the outside air intake comes in, right there. Then you rotate it down and you can pull it straight out where the fan goes. No big deal. Now you're going to be driving around, you're going to get fresh air and cab air mixed together, but at least your blower will be working, you'll get your AC or your heat, whatever you need. It's a quick fix. I do believe you can do this whole thing without taking the dash assembly apart. You can either do it blind without looking in here, or if you take just the glove box out, which is very simple. Tabs on the top of the glove box, you kind of press down, you can get that to rotate. Once the glove box falls down far enough, it comes right off the hinges. You'll be able to see up into here where your cab air goes back in. If you can see into there, maybe have a friend or your wife or girlfriend hold a flashlight for you, you can see what's going on. Take the fan out, reach up through there, feel around, you'll be able to find that part without a problem.